Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So here we are with round 2 of my Scentsy fall flash sale. I do have a third box that I may be adding into this video as part 2. It depends on how long it takes to film this. So let's jump in and get started. If you guys are unfamiliar, once in a while Scentsy does these sporadic flash sales and they drop prices of their products up to 80% off. This is a great time to get warmers because you can get them for under 20 bucks. You can get some discontinued bars, other discontinued like body care, scent circles, washer whiffs, all kinds of products up to 80% off. So I'm going into this box pretty blindly as I don't remember what all I ordered. Some of this is for myself, some of this is for customers. So let's jump in and get started. So I'm going to try to get this out of the way first. And this is, let's see if I can move the camera so you guys can see better. This is the spoonful warmer or the sugar warmer. It looks like a sugar sack. I'm not going to spend too much time on this product because I had already showed this in my first Scentsy flash sale haul. So if you want to see what this warmer actually looks like, definitely check out my part 1. I will have a link below. That warmer got marked down to I think like $14, so it was really, really cheap. So everything with Scentsy, as always, was super nicely packed. This is the Driftwood Bay dish soap. I want to say that this ultimately ended up getting marked down to like $4. It was originally like $10. Really good price on that. See what's wrapped up here. Okay, this is for a customer of mine. She got the Sunkissed Citrus Laundry Liquid. This went on clearance as well. I don't remember the price offhand. Personally, I've never used the laundry liquid. I definitely would like to try it in the Black Raspberry Vanilla scent because I absolutely love and adore the Scentsy Black Raspberry Vanilla. So this is for that same customer as well. She got some body washes. So she went ahead and she picked up 2 oodles of orange because these were marked down, of course, during the flash sale. So 2 of those. She picked up 1 Amazon Rain. As well as a Endless Sea. So she also got scent circles. She is a huge fan of oodles of orange. So she had me order her 5 oodles of orange scent circles because I believe these were on sale as well. And I could smell those through the pack, and I see why she's obsessed because they smell like almost like a fresh squeezed orange juice scent. She had me grab some bars as well. Winter Berry Apple Tea. She recently got this in the Scentsy soak and we actually smelled it together, and oh, this scent is absolutely phenomenal. It smells so good. Look at that gorgeous color. Very, very nice fall scent. So I believe she picked up 3 bars in that. 2, 3. So yes, 3 bars in that. And then this was mine because it was on clearance. Poppy Fields. I have never smelled this. So let's go ahead and give this a whiff and see how it smells. Oh, I think I'm having buyer's remorse. I really wish I would have picked up more of this. I think this is still on the site and still on clearance, so I might have to grab some more of this. This is a very perfumey scent. Definitely on the side of heavy white florals with a powdery note. I love this. This is like the perfect bathroom, bedroom, laundry room scent. Love, love, love that fragrance. That was an excellent purchase. So let's see what else we have wrapped up here. She picked up the Sugar hand soap. And then I think that this is just packing paper from here. So yes, that is packing paper. I'm going to go ahead and slide my next box over so that we can get into that one. So move that out of the way. So here is another flash sale order for you guys. This video is going to be a little bit long. I don't remember any of the stuff ordered. We have one last order coming in. I had a total of three customers, including myself, who went in on group orders. So lots of warmers in this one. So this is the Hung by the Chimney, and because this isn't for my stock or myself, I'm actually not going to open this. This is one of my customers. This was actually a full price item and not a sale item. It is part of the Christmas collection. It is absolutely adorable. We have here Blue Grotto Counter Cleaner that one of my customers ordered. She's absolutely obsessed. I actually gifted her one. She fell in love with it, and now she orders it all the time. So definitely, if you are a Scentsy consultant, if you are good to your customers and expose them to new products by like gifting them stuff, they are likely to repurchase it down the road. So this was a shower gel for a customer in Endless Sea, because we seen that earlier. It was on clearance. We also seen this earlier, and as I mentioned in my first video, I have already unboxed one of these because I picked one up for myself as well as my stock. This is the Spoonful Sugar Warmer, as I call it. Super, super cute warmer. And then we have here the Tin Can Stars Warmer. Once again, I'm not going to open this. This is a customer order, and I just don't feel right opening their products. That one was on clearance for $14. We have here Winterberry Apple Tea that one of my customers got. Very Merry Cranberry. She put this on Bundle and Save with her stocking warmer, so she got the stocking warmer in 3 bars. And Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl. These are some air fresheners that I actually, nope, this is a customer's air freshener. And this one is the Ariel Under the Sea. Personally, I have only smelled this in sample, not an air freshener. Very aquatic fragrance. So I think that is everything that came in this order. I hope you guys enjoyed this Scentsy flash sale unboxing. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will have a link to my Scentsy website. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.